About EHT, I started taking it because I know with my NFL players, some of you may have heard of this thing called CTE, or chronic traumatic encephalopathy, that their dementia is not at all like Alzheimer's disease. It's actually a tauopathy, or a problem with tau. So tau is the cellular structure. So it's the protein building block to keep your brain cells strong and the mechanisms inside the cell working. So EHT helps to support that. Funny, it comes from a coffee extract. Okay, another little commercial. This Wednesday, I am on the Dr. Oz show. So Dr. Oz actually came to Amen Clinics, New York, and we put a cap on his brain, on his head, and scanned him. We did a quantitative EEG on him. And then they were doing a whole show on good forms of energy and bad forms of energy. And so we studied smoking vaporized caffeine. And it's hysterical. So he's like puffing on this caffeine cigarette, and I'm scanning his brain. And it lowered the sleepy wave, so he's more alert. Buzzed, I think, is the word he used. And his brain's more alert, but the judgment center in his brain went down. So you see a cute girl, you're more attentive, and now you make a bad decision, and now you're divorced and visiting your children. So I'm like, maybe not a good thing. But there's something good in coffee, because there's a lot of studies showing the health benefits of coffee. I would just kill the caffeine and then all of the bad things you put in it so that you can tolerate the nasty taste of coffee. Well, they've actually isolated EHT, which optimizes. Dr. Stock is going to talk about PP2A and how exciting that is. But it keeps your connection strong, supports memory, focus, energy, and your immune system. So it's very exciting. And the Neora product actually has a number of other nutrients to work in this multiple mechanism approach that I talked about.